Okay, so my wife watches a lot of these makeup tutorial videos, and there are millions of them on the internet. But what she's got in the habit of doing, and I'm pretty amazed by this, and I can't believe I've not actually found it out myself, is, now, if you watch this, it can be a little dull, but just watch it. And you'll notice she says the word like quite a lot here.
From warm to cool, to make it look nice and gradient, and obviously darker as it gets more defined in the crease. And then you just want to, of course, make sure you're blending it all together.
Yeah. Blending it.
Now, what I like to do with a lot of my looks is use like a white or a cream eyeshadow to highlight my brow bone, and also blend it down into the transition color, so it gives a nice gradient blend. Okay, right, gradient blend.
Anyway, now what I like to do, and what we found out is a best way of sort of coping with these videos, is to increase the speed to about 1.25 or 1.5. It makes these videos a lot more bearable. Here we go, look. A bit faster.
So basically, what I mean by a soft cut crease is that instead of using a concealer, I'm just using a white pigmented eyeshadow to kind of create that definition on the lid, like you just saw in that photo, which is from my bridal shower, and obviously from Snapchat. So if you don't follow me on Snapchat, I'll list it down here so that you guys can follow me and see all the
great, I'll follow you on Snapchat, whatever. Now that's 1.25, that's a bit more bearable now. If I put it onto 1.5, it becomes a lot more bearable.
And for eyeliner, I'm using the oh-so-famous NYC liner in, I think it's called Intense Black or something black. There is two types of black, and this one's like the blacker black.
Like. There's various. Now, if I go to another video here, this is a Carnival Cruise Line video here.
We got the mirror action going. Selfies about to be fired. And then we have this mirror right here with the lights. The telephone. And then we have a couch.
So now it's a 1.5. If I put that normal speed.
When you can't make it a couple more feet to the bed. No, just kidding.
Let's put it on normal speed again because it hasn't taken it. Normal speed.
So we have a porthole. And we are in Fort Lauderdale. Fort Lauderdale. Wow. We're in Fort Lauderdale. So this is our view. I'm going to also show you guys my sister's room or my parents' room because they have like a different room. So I feel like if y'all want to get the full effect, I'm going to show you.
They have like a different room, like I'm going to show you. So like. So the word like and the word so, and right now seems to be interspersed quite a lot. But if you speed it up to 1.5, yes, it becomes a lot more bearable. There we go. Da 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 da. Fort Lauderdale, brilliant. There's a TV. Yeah. This is a lot more bearable now. There's the bathroom. Yeah, blue sink, amazing. She's got some sort of. Yep.
Oh, these are cute. Oh, yeah. Delicious. They're from the same place you ordered mine. A long time ago, you probably don't remember. Desi came through with a come through. On my mom's balcony. My mom has a balcony. Oh my gosh. So this is their view as far as like Florida.
Like.
It's really nice. So they have plenty of rooms, like different options.
Like.
Of what you can have.
Your choices, what you desire.
Are you a Carnival?
Depends on what you want and what comfort level you want on the cruise. I prefer the balcony because I want to see it, and also
I'm about to play.
I can enjoy at night.
She can speak without saying the word like. Anyway, so that's a little tip from me. If you want to watch YouTube videos and make it a little bit more bearable, speed it up.